In case you missed it, Salesforce just changed the way that you sign up for certifications. So in this video, I'm going to sign up for a certification and take you guys along with me. So I'm on trailhead.salesforce.com and I've logged into my Trailhead account. I'm going to go to certifications and browse all certifications. From here, I'm going to look for the next certification I'd like to take. Now that I've selected the next certification I'm going to take, I'll click register now and select the in-person test center option. I now got redirected to Pearson VUE's website. I'll scroll down and click next. I'll select English as my testing language. From here, I can choose my date and time. Now that I've selected the date and time of my certification, I'll be prompted to proceed to checkout. From here, I'll add a voucher code that I have through work. I put in my voucher code and I'll hit next. And from here, I'll submit order and make sure to document my certification time. There you have it. That's how you book an exam through Trailhead's new certification program. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, my name is Rachel and I'm an 8-time certified Salesforce consultant, and I share weekly tips to help you launch, grow, and level up your Salesforce career. Subscribe to my newsletter to stay in the loop, and I have a free admin certification guide that you can get in my description as well. See you in the next video.